Hello everyone, my name is Ketu. Welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss that what is DevOps? DevOps है क्या? So the core understanding which we have to develop here, that once developers pushes the code, once they write their complete application, post deployment and monitoring, the whole and soul work which includes complete CI, CD and CM work, means continuous integration, continuous deployment and continuous monitoring, एंड ये सब काम जो हम कर रहे हैं डेवलपर्स के कोड लिखने के बाद, जब तक वो एप्लीकेशन डिप्लॉय ना हो जाए और वो हम मॉनिटर करें एप्लीकेशन सही से रन कर रहा है कि नहीं, कोर काम जो है यही है डेवऑप्स. और अभी मार्केट में वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिमांडिंग, मोस्ट हाई पेइंग एंड मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग जॉब है. इसलिए है क्योंकि मार्केट में अभी क्लाउड का बहुत डिमांड है. सो इन अ नटसेल वी हैव टू से दैट DevOps is one of the most interesting job along with cloud engineer and SRE job. So now we have to understand that what all things contains under DevOps. So that contains CI, CD and CM. So CI means complete continuous integration. So once we take the code from developer, then we perform static code analysis, security analysis, so that there should not be any issue in that existing static code. It should be vulnerability free. Along with that, build and test, so that we perform with the help of Maven or Gradle, any other also we can use, so that we can verify that. Let's take an example that the existing application is Java based, so that contains pom.xml, and once we build and test, so successfully we create jar. And once that jar is generated, then we have to perform the next step, that is artifact phase, that is storing that jar into any artifactory. It can be JFrog, Nexus or any cloud native tool. It can be S3 as well. So this is CI part. Next, CD part. So once the application is at jar level, once we perform that complete CI thing, then we have to deploy that. So we can reach a manual approval phase there, we the help of service now change. Once the change is reached to implement a state, so we have to deploy that application on Kubernetes, on self-hosted one, or maybe on any cloud native. That can be EKS, AKS or GKE, as these are the most demanding cloud native. Along with that, we have to check that once we deploy that, are the application running successfully? Is there any challenge on that? What is its throughput? The thing which we have written on that application, are that running at optimum level? So with the help of metrics, logs and traces, we can measure that, we can collect metrics, we can monitor that application, we have to enable logging, we have to trace that, and that we can do with the help of Prometheus, Grafana. There is other tool like Splunk. Also we have cloud native tool, that can be CloudWatch or other cloud native tool. Along with that, we also have ELK stack. We also have Datadog. We also have Dynatrace. So these are the whole thing of CI, CD and CM. Now we have to understand it very sincerely, that it is one of the most demanding role in current market because of the cloud availability there. Because we have so much data and we cannot store everywhere in our everything in our we can say that self-hosted thing. We have to take help of some cloud in your day-to-day activity. For every person who is using a smartphone, there is some data available on cloud for any application. That can be Amazon, Blinkit, Flipkart, whatever. And also one important note here, that it is one of the most paying job as per current IT market. So we have to understand the whole practical thing, scientific thing, logical thing, so that we can take action. And if we want to learn that, there are so many free things available on YouTube, on Udemy, and one very important thing now, Code Cloud, that you can take help of. So these are the whole thing, and the core 5 tools which are the backbone of DevOps, that is any cloud, any CI/CD tool, that can be Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Argo CD, whatever. Then Docker, Kubernetes, and Terraform. So these are the 5, we can say, core tools which is being contained in DevOps. So these are the whole thing. I got so many requests that please make a video on DevOps. What is DevOps? So today I have explained it and everything. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. You can directly reach me on my WhatsApp community, on my LinkedIn profile. Everything would be available in the description section on this video. If you like the way I have been explaining, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.